Hello children, today we are going to learn about face value and place value. So in last class what we learned? We learned about numbers name, how to write numbers name, right children? Today we are going to learn place value and face value of numbers. So what is the place value means? Place value is the place value of a digit depend on the position it occupies in the number. So in which place it is number, in ones place or in tens place, in hundred place. So it will decide that place value in which position it is. So that is the value of that number placed. Now 0 to 9. What we call 0 to 9? How many digits number 0 to 9? It is one digit number, right? It all in one place. So 0 to 9, it is ones place. So this 9 numbers will be in a ones place. Always this is a ones place numbers. Then from 10 to 99, it is two digit numbers. It is two digits number. So it will be in a tens place. It will be in a tens place. So 0 to 9 is ones place. Always it is one digit number. How many is there for us? 0 to 9. And 10 to 99, it is two digit numbers. It is tens place. And from 100 to 999, it is three digit numbers. How many numbers? It is three digit numbers. So it is a what? Hundreds place. Hundred place. So this is ones place numbers, this is 10 place numbers, and this is 100 place. Three digit numbers, in third one in which this number, it will be in 100 place, this will be in 10, and this will be ones, right? So place value decide about where the number is. So if it is in ones place, it will be 9. If it is in tens place, it will be 99. And it is in 100 place, 999. So place value is different, right? Let's see an example now. I'll show you one example, and now they given 7. Only 7. It is how many digits number you should see first. So it is only one digit number, right? So what in which place we can write that one? So only one digit number. What we say? Ones place only it will come. 7 into 1. So it is 7 itself. So what is the place value of 7 now? 7 itself. Now 56. So what is the place value of 6 here? 6 into 1. 6 itself. Here, what is the place value of 5? So how many 5? Or it is in tens place. How many tens will be there here in this 5? 5 tens, right? So 5 into 10. 5 tens are how much? It is 50. Right. What is the place value of 5 now? 5 place value is 50. 6 place value is 6 itself. So it is different, right children? It is in tens place. So it is place value is 50. It is in ones place. So its place value is 6 itself. So in three digit numbers, now 393. How many numbers it is here? 3 digit numbers. So what is the place value of 3? So 3 into 1. 3 itself. So what is the place value of 9 into 10. Why I written 10 here? Because the 9 is in 10th place. In which place it is? 9 is in 10th place. So 9 into 10. What is the 9 tens are? 9 tens are 90. So what is the place value of 9 here? Place value is 90. What is the place value? 90. So one more 3 is there. So this 3 is in which place? Here it is in ones place. This 3 is in 100 place. 3 into 100. 0. 0. 3s are 0. So we multiple in which with 0 or always it will be 0 only answer, right? So 1 3s are 3. 300. What is the answer? 300. What is this place value now? Place value is 300. So this place value is 3 only. This is in 10th place. So its place value is 90. And this is in 100th place. So its place value is 300. Right, children? So children, you learn place value. Now it is face value. Face value. So place value is different and place value is different. See, the face value of digit in a number is the digit itself. So there in which position number it is, the place value will be decided on that position. But here the value will be same digit itself. Now I'll take one 66. So 66, right children? What is the face value of 66? So this is also you should write 6 only, and if it is in 10th place also you will write 6 itself. So this face value will be always the digit itself. Wherever it will be in 100 place, in 1st place, in 10th place, the same number it will be. Face value will not change. See now, this 66, if we take in place value 66. Now this is, I said, face value. Face value will be same. This 6 here, this also will be in 6 only. In 10th place, if it is there also, we write same digit. But in face value, in place value, what I said, see, in 6 into 1, it will be 6. So this 6 is in now which place? It is in 10th place. So what will be the answer for this? 60. Right children? This will be 60 and this will be 6. Because it is in 1's place, it is in 10th place. But here it is same. You should write 6 only wherever it is. If you take 3 numbers, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. What will be the face value? For this also 6, 5, 2. It will be same. If it is in place value, 2's place will be 2 into 100, 200. 5's place will be in 10, so it is 50, and in 6, it is in 1's place, it is 6. So, see the difference children, it will be same. The digits won't change here in the face value. What? In face value, digits won't change. It will be a same digit. If it is in 10th place, if it is in 100 place, if it is in 1's place, the digit value will be not change. What? The value of the digit will be not change. But in place value, the digit place, it depends upon position. So, if it is in 10th place, it will be 50, 60 like that. If it is in 100 place, 200, 300 like that. If it is in ones place, the which number will be that number. So difference, see, it will be same digit here, your digits will change according to the position of number. The value will be changed. Value will be in 100 or in 10 or in ones. Here the digit will be same. Here the digit won't change for you in face value, but here in place value the digits will be changed according to the position of the numbers. Value will be going to change. Right, children? I hope you understood. Let me see some of the examples. So children, they given this many examples to you. So only few, 4 I am showing you, remaining you do in your textbook. So you should underline which numbers in ones place. Here you should underline the numbers which it is in tens place. Here you should underline which numbers is in 100 place. So here ones place, which number it is? 1. From which side we should take? From this side or this side? So we are taking from always from right to left side. So which side number we should take? This. So which is in ones place here? It is 2. Which number is in ones place? The number 2 is in ones place. So 5 is in 10s place and 1 is in 100 place. So here 3 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 4 is in 100 place. Which we should underline? We should underline 3. Here 9, 4, 2. Which we should underline? We should underline 9. So 3, 9, 0, 0, 9, 3. So which we should underline? We should underline 0. So this is the place value that in ones place. This is we should underline in tens place. So 1 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 2 is in 100 place. So which we should underline? We should underline 9. Here 7. Here 9. Here 10. So here we underline in ones place number. Here we underlined in tens place number. Here we should underline which number is in hundreds place. Which we should underline which number is in hundreds place. So 2, right children? This is ones, tens, hundreds. 1, 10, 100. So 100 place number. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. So here we underline in 100 place. Here we underlined in tens place. Here it is in ones place. Right children? So next may nothing, you can do it yourself. See 300, 5 tens, 300, 5 tens, 4 ones is shown as. Means one example I show 4 HUNDREDS 100, 7 tens, 2 ones is shown as. So what you should write? 400. What will write here? 4. So 7 tens. In which place it is 7? In tens place. 7 and 2 ones. So it is 472. What the value came? 472. Here write the place value and face value of underlined digits. So So children, they given like this for you. For a few examples you should do. Right. So write the place value and face value of underlined digits. So here they given number, here they given place value, and here it is face value. So they underline some of the numbers here. What you should write here, what is the place value of 2? So 123 they given. What is the place value of 2? So what you should do, it is in which place you should find. So it is 3 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place, and 1 is in 100 place. So 2 is in which place you should write? 2 is in 10th place. So what will be the place value of 2 here? What you should write? 2 into 10. 2 tens are how much? 20. Right. So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 20. What is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 20. So what will be the face value? What I said? The place value will change according to its position. The value will be changed. If it is in 10th place, the value will be different. If it is in 100th place, the value of the number is different. So the place value is like that? No. The face value will be how? The face value will be what the digit it will be. The digit will itself same. So the value will be not change in face value. The digit what it will be, the same digit it will be in the face value. The digit value will be not changed. So here the value is changed according to its position. In which position it is? It is in 10th position, 10th place position. So it will be, value will be changed 20. But in face value, the value won't change. The digit itself, the value. So the digit only we should write. So next is 4 they underline. So 6 is in 1's place. This is in 10's place. This is in 100 place. So 40. 4, what is the place value? 4 into 10. 10's place it is. So the place value will be 40. The face value will be 4 itself. Is it changed? No. The position of value will not change in face value. Only it changes in place value. So here it is. 5 is in 1's place, 9 is in 10's place, 4 is in 100th place. So they underline 4. What we should write now? 4 into 100. What is the answer? 4 hundreds are 400. So the 4 value is 400 here. In place value, the 4 value is 400. In face value, 4 itself. In face value, 4 itself. Here 4, 3, 0. They underline for 0. 0 into 1. It is in 1's place, right? If we multiple 0 ones are 0 only. So what is the place value of 0? 0. So it is in 1's place. So in which number will be in 1's place? It will be same. For example, children, if it is in 10's place 0 also, the place value will be 0 only, because if we into 10, so 0 tens are how much? It will come 10? No. If we multiple how many times in whichever digit, if it is in 100, if it is in tens, if it is in 1, 0 will be 0 only. 0 tens are also 0. 0 hundreds are also 0. So 0 wherever it will be, its place value will be 0 only. It won't change. So your face value is also 0. 3, 1, 0. Which number they given here? 1. 1 is in which place? It is in tens place. So 1 into 10. So only 1 is there. 110 we will write. So 1 into 10, 10. What is the place value of 1 here? It is 10. In face value, it is 1 itself. So, and I hope you understood, children. Once again I am saying the place value, the digits will be changed according to the position. It is in which position? If it is in tens place, ones place, hundred place, the value of digits will be changed here. The value of the digits will be changed in place value. In face value, the value of the digit will be not changed. The digit value will be same. Digit itself, the face value will be digit itself. It won't change the value of the digit. Only in place value, the value will be changed for digit. In face value, it won't be changed. So children, this is next main, D main. So here what you should do, they given numbers to you, they underline numbers. So you should write in which place it is and what is the place value. For example, they given here 3, 5, 7, 357. So 7 is in ones place, 5 is 100 place, 10th place, 3 is 100 place, right? So what you should write? They underline 7 here. They underline 7 here. So what, in which place it is? You should write in which place that is. It is in ones place. It is in ones place. So if number is in ones place, what will be the place value? The same it will be, right? 7 into 1, 7. 7 ones are 7. So what is the place value? 7. So 7 is in ones place. The place value is 7. 134. So 3 is in which place here? 3 is in which place? 3 is in tens place. 3 is in tens place. Which place it is in 3? 3 is in tens place. So 3 into 10, 3 tens are how much? 30. What will be the place value? Place value will be 30. What is the place value? Place value will be 30. So here 220 they given. They underline for 2. So in which place it is? It is 1, 10, 100. Which place is in 2? 2 is in 100 place. So what you should write here? 100. 2 is in 100 place. So what will be the place value now? So it is in 100 place. So value will be in hundreds, right? So 2 into 100, 200. The value of 2 is now 200 because it is in hundreds place. 145, no, 145. What is in 5 place now? It is in ones place. It is in ones place. So what is the place value? 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 4 they given, 444. So middle 4 they underlined. 1, 10, 100. What is the place value now? In which place it is? It is in tens place. In which place it is? It is in tens place. So 4 tens are 40. What is the value? 40. What is the value? 40. Understood, children? I hope you understood. So next we form numbers we have that we learn in next class. So children, only few examples I done for you. Remaining all you fill in your textbook, right children? So any doubts if you are, you can clarify with me in the class. Thank you children.